Hi everybody, it's Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator, and welcome back to the Curated Dollhouse. So today, y'all, I am here with another unboxing of my way too much money spent in January, way over budget haul. However, I'm not going to feel bad about it, y'all, because I will also be doing some months of no spending coming up so that I can focus on getting my dollhouse set up with all of our new furniture. Be on the lookout for videos coming up because I will be recording those in the next couple of days. But, y'all, yeah, we are way over budget for January. But again, I'm not going to feel bad about it because I got some fun stuff. So we've recently just done a video on the Harry Potter Make It Miniverse Honeydukes edition. I found two. I got two of those balls in a different city at a Walmart. My local Walmart didn't have them. And then, y'all, that city also had an Ulta. So a couple of weeks ago, when we were out spending our first of the month January budget, y'all, I did stop by Ulta to see if they had any of the mini brand Ulta balls. I told y'all once before that I at least wanted to get maybe one or two, but I will be waiting until the rush was over in hopes that they would still have some. And in my city, at my local Ulta, they didn't have any. So when I saw the one today in another city, we decided to stop by and see if they had any. And y'all, they had 4 surprise balls and I bought 3. Why didn't I buy 4? Because I was being cheap. And 2, I figured I'd save at least 1 for the next person that came in that may want to try these. So y'all, I'm excited about getting into these. But before I get to these mini brand Ulta, while I was at Ulta today, y'all, I found this, which is Essence Cosmetics. This is Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. This is not a sponsored video, y'all. I haven't even tried this yet. But I did want to check this out, y'all, because I am, when it comes to makeup, I am a basic makeup chick. I call myself a 3L girl. That is lips, liner, and lashes. And y'all, I am having the hardest time finding fake lashes that I am absolutely loving here lately. It seems like everything is changing and either getting to be 1, too expensive, or 2, too kind of long for what I like for my lashes to look like. So I decided to try this. It was $8.99. So I decided to get this to see if it will be beneficial for me and maybe I can save some money on fake lashes by using something like this. So I will be giving y'all an update in another video on how I think this works. But to say that, I didn't just go to Ulta to get, actually, yes, I did. I just went to Ulta to see if they had these Ulta mini brand balls, and they did, but I also did find something that I think will be extremely beneficial for me. So I'm excited to try this, and I will be giving y'all an update. Again, this video is not sponsored, y'all. This is the first thing I've ever even bought for Ulta, and if I was not a big lashes girl and having such a hard time finding lashes that I want and like now, I probably wouldn't have gotten this. But we will check this out another time, and I'll probably show y'all in the video how beautiful my lashes may look once I use this, or jacked up, because I don't know. This is my first time trying it, so we will see. Anyway, on to what we are here for, y'all. So when these first came out, I knew they were going to be great. I knew they were going to probably sell out. So this was kind of on my yes, I will get it eventually list, but I wasn't in a big rush to pick these up. But since they did have some and the rush is over, I was excited to get these. So again, I have 3 of these that we're going to be unboxing today. And I know I should have just went ahead and got my handy dandy unboxing tool to work with these, but it looks like a bobby pin works just as well. Okay, so let's get into these and see what we got. Okay, so y'all know me. I do not like to continuously struggle on these videos, so I am going to open these all right now so that I don't have to continue to struggle. Okay, so while I am getting these open, y'all, we stopped at Target and Walmart we stopped at Walmart in one of the cities. They did not have a Target, and we found some good stuff. And then we went to Target in another city, And they had some good stuff as well. Y'all, I actually was able to find the Barbie deluxe style dolls in that Target today. I have not seen them in my Target, which I was recently at, so I was super excited to see that they were in that Target. They did not have the Chase doll. They actually only had 2 dolls left. That is the short one with the braids and the pink-haired doll with the gloves. So I did wind up getting one of them, because as I was continuing to look at those, y'all know I recently got the Barbie Deluxe Style doll that came with the prosthetic leg. Absolutely love her. Was super excited to add her to my collection, especially since that leg is articulated. But as I watched unboxings, y'all, I did see that there was another doll that I was interested in getting outside of the Millie. So when I first saw the Barbie Deluxe collection, y'all, the 2 dolls that I wanted was the prosthetic leg doll and the Millie. However, the Millie doll has a side eye, and I am not big, excuse me, I am not big on a side eye doll, so I decided not to get her. And the one that I did wind up getting, I will show y'all in another unboxing video, was the 3rd down on my list, but she's kind of grown on me as I've watched different unboxings and seen her, so she was worth getting. But they did not have the Chase doll, but they did have it out, so they did have it, y'all. So if you're looking for that doll, make sure you are checking your Targets. They should be hitting shelves. The city we went to is approximately about the size of my city, maybe just a little bit bigger, as far as not population necessarily, but maybe landmass. But I wouldn't have expected to find it there, and I did. So I was happy about that. But all right, I have these open now, y'all. So we're going to get started. Let me pull this collector's guide out. And like I said, I am not a big Ulta person because I'm not a big makeup person. So the first thing I've ever bought from Ulta was this and these 3 balls. And I got all of these today. But I'm going to show you what comes in this collection. So we have some items for hair, for dry bar. We've got some e.l.f. products that look pretty decent. We have some good molecules. They have the Monday brand. They have NYX. They have OPI. We also have Way. Only reason I know how to say that is because I've watched other unboxings. We have Redken. Shea Moisture. Super Goop. Tarte. I'm not sure. Y'all should know. Truly. Urban Decay, which I have heard about this one, and I believe years ago, I actually did use some of these when I was kind of more into makeup. And they also have a couple of Frozen Moments. So what am I looking forward to, y'all? For this collection, I don't really have any picks. I'm kind of excited about anything that comes out in these. So we're going to get started. And I'm just going to start with this one. So let's see what we have. Okay, so in this one, we have a quick blow dry. There you go. Does the top come off? Not on this one, but some of these do have a top that comes off. I'm going to try to lay these down so y'all can continue to see them in my space. Oh, and it zoomed in for me, y'all. Y'all know the camera does not like to work with me with the zooming in. Okay, so we have an OPI red nail polish. Now, this I know does open. Oh, cute. Okay, that is cute. I will show y'all these with a doll here in a second, because we know they're not all 1/6 scale, but all of these I intend to use in my dollhouse, y'all, regardless. Okay, in this one we have, looks to be a lipstick. Yes, cute color. And looks like this is from Urban Decay. I like that. In this one, we have Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Yes, it does open, and it looks like there's some cream in there. It actually even has kind of a softer texture to it instead of just hard plastic, so I like that. And our last one for this first surprise ball, y'all, is some e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. And yes, the lid does come off. Okay. So for the first part, y'all, I think that's pretty good. We got some hair care materials. We got a couple of things for makeup, and then we got some nail polish. So I like that. Let's go on to the second one. Get that collector's guide out of the way. So the first item in this second one is a duplicate. Is it? Power Grip Primer. Yep, it is. They do seem to be two different colors, though. One seems to be a bit more translucent than the other one. So y'all know me. I don't mind duplicates in the Dollhouse anyway, but yeah, we'll call those two different things and keep right on stepping. Next up, okay, another duplicate. Nope, this is Illuminating Hand and Body Scrub. So it does look different. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it is different. So that is two shea butter products. And that is not a duplicate. Let's see what we have in this one. Discoloration Correcting Serum. And yes, the bottle does open. That is cool. Let me lay that down. Next up. Okay, we have another e.l.f. product. This is, it just says Jelly Pop. I'm not sure what this is, y'all. But it does open. It is a different color than the other one. So that is nice to add to it. And then finally, in this last one, we have the Redken All Soft Conditioner. Does not open, but that is good. So in this one, we got mostly face stuff. We got one duplicate, and then we got the conditioner, so that's a good one. And then for our very last Ulta Beauty Mini Brands Ball, let's see what we get. I would like to have one of the dry bar items, y'all, because I think they're adorable. But to tell the truth again, I really don't care what I get in these, because these are my first ones, so everything will be new to my collection. So we'll start with this one. This is NYX Butter Gloss. Love that color. Oh, there you go. Love that color. That is super cute. Put that right there. Next up, we have a little makeup palette or a little makeup. So we have Urban Decay. This looks to be Free Bird. I'm not sure if this is eyeshadow or not, y'all. Again, I'm not a big makeup person, but that does open. That color is beautiful. It's kind of like a lilac color. That is gorgeous. I think that'll be great with my Elphaba doll and some of her accessories with that color. In this one, we have Detox Dry Shampoo. The top does open on that. So that's nice as well. Next thing, another shea butter item. And this is Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So this is another duplicate, but again, that is okay. And then our final thing, this seems to be a pretty decent size. Yep. Monday Smoothing Shampoo, or Smooth Shampoo. So y'all, I'm super excited about this. I'm very happy with what I have. I think if I had to pick a favorite of all of these, I would have to say absolute favorite, the lipstick. First of all, that color is gorgeous. I love that it can open, has a unique design with a little iridescent with all my fingerprints on it right now. But this would definitely be my top favorite. This makeup palette here that has this purple in it would be another favorite because I love that color scheme for my Elphaba doll. And if I had to pick one more, hard to say, y'all, but I'm just gonna call it a toss-up for the Shea Moisture items. I love the fact that it can open. I love how they have different looks to it. So you can tell these are different. This is more of a cream. This looks more like an exfoliant gel. So I would have to say, yeah, these would be my next favorites because I love that you can open it and it looks like it has something in it. But I do feel pretty good, y'all. And again, like I said, they only have 4 of these at the store and I wound up getting 3 of them. So I did leave one for someone else. But yeah, I'm excited about these. I think these will be great to add to my dollhouse. As far as scale, because I did say I was going to show y'all the scale. So let me pull down my Miss Brooklyn doll. Okay, so we'll go with the Monday shampoo. Y'all, I still think that is a good size for my dollhouse, at least. You put this up in the bathroom, it will look great. The other big one was the nail polish. So that is a pretty good size nail polish. However, y'all, I think the brush is still a good size. So you could use this just fine, I think, in your dollhouse with these dolls. And if you're looking for stuff that can be great clutter in a background, that would be nice. Or y'all, we can call these industrial size and keep it moving and keep it stepping. But I think these are a great size for the dolls and a good addition for my dollhouse. But yeah, these 2 top favorites for sure. And then adding these in because they open and have that texture on the inside. And I like that I got a couple of things that kind of look like they go together, like the Shea Moisture and the e.l.f. So that's cool. All right, y'all. Thank you for visiting the Curated Dollhouse and going on this Ulta Beauty Mini Brands unboxing with me and seeing how this scale works against dolls in my dollhouse. So we will be back another day in another video. Y'all make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. But especially, y'all, comment. I love reading y'all's comments and responding back to them. And it just really engages me in this community and just inspires me to continue to make content for you all because y'all show me that you care by leaving comments on videos that I put out, and I absolutely love it. But anyway, until next time, y'all, this is Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator. Y'all have a great day, and we'll be back another day with another video. Bye, y'all.